Yumi ơi, let's review about the farm animals and the body parts. Okay? Ready?
Yeah,
Yes, Mimi, you say, I'm ready.
I'm ready.
Okay, good job. Now, next, the first, what is it?
A mouse.
It's a mouse.
Mouse.
It's a mouse.
Mouse.
Okay, next,
Duck.
it's a duck.
It's a duck.
Next,
Dog.
it's a dog.
It's a dog. Big.
Pig
Big.
is a pig.
Big.
Is a
Big.
pig. Very good. This one, no, it's a
Cat.
cat. Okay. And do you know what it is?
Big.
It's a pig.
Big.
And
Oh.
horse. Okay, now let's learn a new animal.
Bear.
Bear. Very good. It's a bear.
It's a bear.
Is it small?
No.
It's
Big.
big. Okay, next. What is it?
Duck.
It's a fox. Fox. Okay, fox.
Duck.
Now next. Move to the body parts.
Egg.
Now show me your hands. Hands.
Egg.
Next.
Duck.
No, what is it?
Good.
Foot. This one.
Egg.
Head. And next. What are these?
Okay.
Now here, what are these?
Nice.
Leg. Good job. Now they are legs, right? And this one
Mouse.
is a mouth.
No.
Okay, you say again. It's a mouth.
Mouse.
It's a mouth.
It's a mouse. No. It's a no. It's a e.
It's an ear.
It's a eye.
It's an eye. Great job. Now next, what animals do you see?
I see a bear, a mouse, a duck,
And
a bird.
two birds. Very good. What are the birds doing? Flying.
Diamond.
The birds are flying.
Diamond.
Okay, next. Wow. What is it?
A bear, a duck.
A drum. Is it small?
No, a big duck.
It's a big drum. Very good. What is a bear carrying?
Carrot.
The bear.
A carrot.
A
Big duck.
A bear. Okay, the bear is carrying the big drum, but it
Down.
on the
Good.
where? Where did the mouse hurt? Mouse.
Good.
A mouse hurt his foot. Great job. And now next. What is a bear doing?
Cup.
The bear.
No, not the bear.
Very good. The bear is kneeling the chair. Where is a chair? Show me the chair. Yes, good job. But he
Down.
hit.
It is egg.
He hit his hand with a hammer.
Hammer.
Where did the bear hurt?
Egg.
Bear.
The egg.
Very good. High five. Thank you.